All right, I am Chef Bobby Marcotte, Tuckaway Tavern and Butchery, also chef owner of Hop and Grind, and I am here to tell you about a little bit about Winston. Prior to being introduced to the C-Vap, I honestly did not believe in cook and holds at all, did not own them, did not have them in my establishments, but because of the integrity and the quality of the product that these C-Vaps are able to put out, I've become a believer. The fact that they cook with moisture and rather than drying out proteins and allowing you to cook with precision on temperatures, it's just a absolutely brainless machine to have in my kitchen. I do everything with it. Prime ribs, I roast, I bake, I sous vide. Yeah, use it for everything. Great machine. Have it in my food truck, have it in both of my restaurants, and plan to have it in every restaurant from here on out. The entire Winston team's great to work with as well. Any issues, any questions we've had, they've been right on point, quick to get back to us and quick to help us out with operations.